Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel AgriQuiz. Today I am going to discuss newly released variety of horticultural crops. Mainly I focus on fruit crops. Without wasting time, let's start from mango variety Arka Prabhat. It is a double cross variety. Cross with Amrapali, cross with Arkan Mall. You can remember Amrapali cross with Arkan Mall. Then TSS, it is 22-degree breeze. Then shelf life 8 to 10 days in ambient condition or room temperature condition. Which one I am marking? Please note down for exam point of view. Then banana. Wait a second. Kaveri Kanya banana variety. It is a introduced accession from FHIA 03. Then Kaveri Harita. It is a clonal selection from Bangiriar and it is a culinary purpose. Culinary purpose means cooking purpose. Then bunch weight 25 kg. Then next variety Kaveri Saba. Wait a second. Yes, here and there Kaveri Saba. There is one more variety, that is Saba. Kaveri Saba and Saba. Then here Kaveri Saba, it is a dual purpose variety and it is tolerant to soil stress, saline and sodic soil. As I told before, banana is a moisture loving plant, so it can tolerate moisture stress, but this variety is moisture tolerant to moisture stress. Then bunch weight 5 to 7, sorry, so this is shelf life of bunch, that is 5 to 8 days. Then yes, this one, it is released from state variety release committee, government of Tamil Nadu. You have to remember this point. Then next variety Kaveri Sugandham. It is a fragrant and desert variety. Then it is suitable for a high altitude in Eastern Ghat region of India. Then next variety, that is Kaveri Kalki. It is a dwarfing variety and short duration crop. Then it is tolerant to leaf spot disease. Then here you can see, wait a second, here the picture of different banana variety. This is Kaveri Kanya, Kaveri Haritha, Kaveri Saba and Kaveri Sugandham and Kaveri Kalki. Then next crop guava. Here the variety name Arka Kiran. It is a hybrid of Kamsari with purple local. Then it is a dark pink red with medium soft seed. Then wait a second. Then this one also very important. It is released recommended by State Variety Release Committee, Karnataka. You have to remember this one. Then next crop, that is grape, and varieties Vanjari Chama, and it is also a hybrid variety of black champa with the Thompson seedless, and here it is used for table purpose. Then next variety Jamun, here CISH Jamont. It is, wait a second, this variety released by which institute? You have to remember this one, from CISH, means Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture, Lucknow. Then it is rich in ascorbic acid, means vitamin A, total antioxidant value, and here it is bear up to 8 to 90 days. Sorry, it is after 10 years, 8 to 10 kg it bears. And here I finish. These are the new variety of fruit crops. If my videos are helpful to you, please like, share, and comment. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.